Welcome back to Blossom University. My name is Blossoming Jasmine, and today we're talking sacred baths. I'm super excited because I have really learned to incorporate self love and self care into my personal regimen. I love to take nice baths, maybe anywhere between 2 to 5 times a month, and it's really soothing to my body. I'm going to show you how I made this bath, but I don't always make my baths with flowers in them. Sometimes I use a little Epsom salt fizz ball, and this particular one was cool because it had a little gift inside of it, which was a gold coin, which I thought was really cute. But let's jump right into the material. So you want to run your hot water. Of course, have a clean tub, but run your hot water and you're going to start by adding your Epsom salts. Now, I normally follow the package and I only add 1 cup. Also, add my foaming bath, my dried flowers, as well as essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus oil, a rose oil, and one of my favorite is the peppermint oil as well. So I'm going to add the rest of what I had because that's literally all I had, but I usually measure all out. So I measure my Epsom salts, but I don't measure my foaming bath bubbles. I know that we have very sensitive pHs, so I'm very careful about how much Epsom salt, but I love a really you know, I love a nice bath with lots of bubbles in it. So after I add my foaming bath, I'll go ahead and grab a glass of wine. And you can actually use a floating wine glass, which is what I love. So I normally do like a red wine. But if you like sake, or even if you want like tea or water or like whatever your thing is, I think it'd be really cute to incorporate into your bath. You're talking about full relaxation and full bliss. So as this water is running, I'm going to go ahead and grab my essential oils. And you don't want to do overload. All you really need is 1 or 2 drops and you are done. So I'm just dropping my oils into the water. Some oils don't have a dropper, so I would recommend buying a dropper so that you could actually use in moderation these oils. So the first dried flower I'm using is spearmint, and then I'm going to grab my jasmine tea, which is a mix of roses and chamomile and just all these type of good things. And I'll include down in the description box links or at least a description of where you can get these things from. As a bonus, I'm going to add one more oil, which is an aphrodisiac. The name is Yangling, and I love this because it literally makes you irresistible to a man. But I add it to the bath, and once I'm done taking a bath, I put a strainer at the bottom of the tub. I allow everything to strain out, and then lastly, once it's all strained out, I sweep it up, and I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you lots. Blossoming Jasmine.